Okay, I'm back. We had a little interruption. My mother-in-law came home. So we're going to continue here. And I needed some towels anyway. So put these towels down here for now. I got a nice little shelf here. Where did I get this thing? Oh, yeah, my sister-in-law was getting rid of this nice little desk, so I left it outside. Nobody took it for free. Usually I put stuff out for free at the end of the driveway. And people take it. Man, it's hot today. It was 40 degrees Celsius, so that's like 105 plus 100% humidity. Anyways, let's get going here. This is getting a little. Hey, that's good. That tastes great. This is getting a little slow here, so let's see if we can get that off. I'm gonna take this off. It needs a new one. Anyways, it's disgusting. So we'll take the little spring clamp out. We're going to replace all these spring clamps anyways with better ones that you can actually grab onto. And then we don't have to waste our time. Because I hate wasting time on spring clamps. There you go. Come on. I mean, I don't want to break it or anything. I don't want to break the... I definitely don't want to break the tube. There we go. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah, see these little clamps, they're not even clamps. They don't even, I'm sure there's like a tool. I mean, they don't have much pressure anyways, but anyways, let's just use our finger. Okay. Now this is really on there. Probably gonna have to cut it off or something, but anyways, it has to come off in the first place for us to get anything done. Wow. So I think we're gonna have to cut that off. And you know what? I just bent the tip of this little dingle needle, the thing that, you know, is supposed to clean stuff out. So that was a no-no. That's a no-no because this is very important. This little tool comes with a little screw-on cap. Okay. So this is really frozen on here. There we go. There we go. Give it a little. Yeah, you saw it. Yeah, that's gonna be a bruise or a bleeder. Definitely gonna be a bleeder. I was wearing gloves too. I mean, how much safer can you get? Anyways, let's get going here. So let's pull up a chair, and you can see what I'm doing. So we are gonna grab just a little, you know, milli thing here. So let's spray it down with I don't know. Let's spray it down with the empty parts cleaner can so we can get that all, you know, get it all looking good. Oh, that burns on that cut. Just by the way, I'm just saying, it burns like, oh, burns. Anyways, there we go. Trying to get that gunk out earlier. Anyways, I'll toss that over there. Sorry, Gyro. So we're just I'm gonna brush that off just a little bit because there's a little bit of gunk in there. And I mean, it can stay there forever. It doesn't really matter, but we want to get this kind of gunky stuff out so that it'll, you know, look clean. And we want it to be as clean as possible. So we're gonna, whatever, you know, we'll clean out the little, obviously the screw holes don't need to be cleaned out, but the main jet hole, that does have to be cleaned out. And this one, oh, it'll go in. Make sure it comes back out. That's the thing. Okay. Let's see if there's any mosquitoes eating up my legs yet. Not yet. So anyways, you want to get into the main valve here because if you don't, give it a good, you know, good go around here, then it's not going to clean up. And the worst thing that could happen is to spend all this time taking this thing apart, and then, you know, in the end, it doesn't start, or later on, it doesn't do anything. So right here, I mean, if you can see through, it's pretty good, but you need these brushes to really get it out. This is your throttle. That's where the throttle, you know, opens things up. So obviously that's super important. We got that. We're gonna go to our screw adjuster, and we're gonna need a little bigger. Let's go with bigger here. Bigger is better, so some say. And it's true, because we're really gonna clean out. This is your idling screw. So the screw is gonna go back in there. It's got a little spring to it, and you screw it in, and then you adjust it. Okay, so that's pretty clean. And then this little port here, which we didn't get yet, I'm gonna go right in there. And we're gonna have to use the smallest one that we have. Maybe even just a no brush feature here. Actually, you know what? That's probably fine. I think that's gonna be fine. But we'll give it a little go through. And basically I took out like 2 liters of old gas. I'll show you later, but man, it's red. Red as can be. Looks like kerosene. I clean out this little pipe there. Okay, I'm gonna go back in here. So this is a Keihin Japan carburetor. So anyways, this is a good carburetor. You clean these out, this will go another, it's got what, 27, I think it has 27,000 kilometers on it. Let's see here. Yeah, 27,999. So when I start driving it, yeah, you guessed it. Can you guys do math? It'll have 28,000. It's a nice number to start with. Okay, so we did the main ports, and then the question is, did I do that one? Probably I did. I just can't obviously remember. Now we're gonna do the inner carb ports. There's what, there's 3 holes in there, if you can see that. Yeah, I think you can see that. 3 holes. So let's give that a little go. Ooh. Just make sure you roger it around, and you know, not to be crude or anything, but that's, you have to do it. And you get all the gunk out. It probably didn't have too much gunk in it, but yeah, it's clean, thankfully. Thank goodness it's, you know, relatively clean. Unfortunately, I wonder why Mr. Yamashita stopped driving this. I mean, obviously because it didn't start one day, but you know, maybe the battery died or whatever. But anyways, I think we're good to go here. So we have the main body clean. Let's go to our, you know, we got to go to this one next. And we're going to give this just a little, this is your, probably a drain valve here. So we're going to give, that was tight. I mean, man, a flathead, and it was tight. It was like locked on there. So we're going to clean that out so that doesn't happen again. And I mean, I got gasoline all over the driveway because I was trying to jack it up. I have it jacked up now. You'll see, you know, later, maybe today. You'll see it. Oh yeah, this is dirty. Now, if you see in here, this is really dirty, very dirty. So I mean, you really got to clean all this up, get all of that nasty out. Because if you don't get the nasty out now, the nasty is going to get back into your carburetor, and then you've wasted your time taking this all apart. You wasted my time taking all this apart, because this video is for you to learn. So okay, so we got that all cleaned up. Now let's do this. Let's take a brush. I guess we'll take one of our cleaner brushes here. What time is it? We're doing good. So we're going to take our little cleaner brush here. Now you could soak this. Some people say you can soak it in vinegar. That's a cheaper. That is a much cheaper option to cleaning this. WD-40 is cool too. Oh, I did not want to ruin that shirt, but I mean, here we are. What I want to get, just walk with me here. I'm going to the back of the truck. I have some Cure, K-U-R-E. That's what we get here. Cure Engine Conditioner. Engine conditioner, if you know you couldn't understand the Japanese. This is good stuff. So if we just, you know what, good thing I came outside, because man, people inside would not appreciate me doing this. So we're gonna let that foam up. Okay, we're also gonna do this. Oh man, do you see that? You don't even see it. Look at that. Foam that baby up. It's coming out both sides. Oh my god, came right out the thing there. Okay, let's just, you know, we're gonna get all this in there, because you know I'm here and I have the stuff. So and it will clean it up. I mean, obviously after we do this, you know, after we do all this foaming, cleaning, we're gonna you know, we're gonna wash it all out. We are gonna wash it. They say to wash it with water, and then you blow it out with an air gun, which I happen to have right here. That'll keep you cool on a hot day. Okay, so we're doing good. Let's get over to, question is, where is our soft brush? Now, I had a soft brush, and I think it's in the mono oki. That means shed or garage. No, it's not going to be a soft brush. Anyways, it's in here. Hold on, I gotta go into the van. And in the van should be a very soft nylon brush in the toolbox. So we're gonna take a look in here in the toolbox. And you know, normally I'm looking for stuff and like I can't find it when I want it, because that's kind of, you know, it's the life of a handyman. Oh, I found it. Hey, that's pretty good. What was that, like 10 seconds? Okay, maybe 20. The life of the handyman is, you know, you basically put stuff in your box, and that's how it goes. I'm going to have to pause the video again, and I can't pause the video because it's an old iPhone. Is that why? I'm going to have to pause because I have a visitor, and visitors want to talk. But I'm going to have to pair the last video, which was 5 minutes, and then this video, and then the next video. Why people? Anyways, I got to pause it. I'll be right back.